When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, today I totally had a different video in mind that I thought I was gonna upload. But then I remembered I was doing a little tidying in this room, as I have to do at least once every week. And I was like digging through our minis and gashapon drawer, and I remembered, because I saw one of them in here. You guys, I remember I have highly realistic firework miniatures. And if you don't put a firework video out on the 4th of July, like, when is a better day to put that video out? So that's what we're gonna be taking a look at today. We have, I think, 5 of them. I did find these on Amazon Japan, but it was quite a while ago. Although I think I was like recently adding things to like my Amazon Japan wish list. And I'm pretty sure there's a second series of these out. So they must have been popular. And I'm thinking, you know what, why not? Let's just open this one. Why not? We have a red egg, and oh, you guys, I'm gonna like look at the paper first, which is something I rarely do. I thought that these were toys. Yes! Oh my god! I've been telling you guys, these are some of my favorite minis and gashapon to collect right now from the Toys Spirits brand. The water cooler one we did a couple weeks ago, that was Toys Spirits. The fishing stuff that I really liked, that was Toys Spirits. And now these. And this one looks pretty big, you guys. This looks like large fireworks. Y'all have to let me know, you know, are you doing a barbecue today? You guys, also, I feel like we went out today and made backyard pizza, and I swear I got bit by a mosquito, like on the back of my ear. Like, look at how red, right? Although sometimes my ears just turn red. I know we've talked about this before. TMI, totally gross. Sometimes my ears like inexplicably turn red. I think like it feels like a bug bite. Oh my god, nobody wants to know that. This one is like, listen to the calming sound. Yes. We're gonna open the box. We're gonna see what's inside. Is that a soda bottle? Oh my god, you guys, look. Ooh, it's like one of those fountain fireworks, I think. Look at how cute it is. It's like, it's a tube. Oh my gosh. There we go. You guys, we may hear some fireworks right now as I'm filming this video. People have been shooting fireworks off for days already, but I feel like that kind of makes sense because it was like over the weekend, so I feel like people are celebrating early. Let me go ahead and thread this through. I like this option. I know normally I say I like the gashapon or the minis less when there's like a paper aspect to them, just because I feel like it makes the function of the keychain a little bit less there, you know, because how long can you carry a box, a paper box, as a keychain? But I do love this option where you could carry the keychain inside that's plastic, or you can put it in a paper box and carry it like this. Ah, I miss seeing all the fun themed fireworks. There was one I used to always get, and I'm pretty sure it was like this as well. I think it was called the Frog Prince, and oh my god, you guys know I love frogs. All right, you guys, let's see what's in the green egg. It's like a greenish bluish color. Same charts, which I'll show you guys at the end. And see, these are all sealed up completely. I was kind of wondering if there was a way we could open up the keychain, temporarily take the little tiny fireworks. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't even know what kinds of fireworks are in here. But I feel like sometimes you can take the minis out and put them back in, but these look stuck in there for good. But look at all the tiny little, I feel like a lot of these look more like sparklers versus fireworks, but look at how cute. I have to be honest, my favorite part of 4th of July though is the 4th of July Twilight Zone marathon. Sci-Fi is not doing it this year, but there's another channel, I don't know what it's called. They show like old TV shows all the time, and they have been doing a Twilight Zone marathon, I think for like the last like 3 days or something. Oh my god, this one is so cute. I'm trying to really get him to pop out. What am I choking on? Air? But yeah, look, there's like a little teddy bear firework in there. Oh my gosh, so cute. Don't these look so real though? That's what I love about Toys Spirits is I feel like their minis are like super duper real. Like I feel like they all have the little, like what's it called? Like spark or something? Like the bear actually has like the little red thing, like where you would light it. You guys, why don't I know what anything is called? I feel like this is like a chaotic video. It is like it is already the 4th of July. It is like 12:40 in the morning. And I even did film like another video earlier. But you guys, I was like, I've gotta put this up on the 4th of July. What did we get this time? There's like a snow cone on the packaging. I wish I knew what these said because it's kind of like the little pictures on the packaging like don't necessarily match the fireworks inside, but look at how cute this is. Fuse, that's the word. I was like waiting until it would pop back in my brain, but look, there's like a little rocket ship. But then on the back of the packaging, you can see the little fuses on the other side as well. Let me know what you guys would prefer. Do you think it would be too easy to lose these if you could even temporarily open up the packaging and take the little tiny fireworks out? Do you like the fact that they're like super sealed so that they're definitely much more functional like a keychain? Let me know. Only one left. And it's in this yellow egg. Oh my god, this is like the tiniest one. Look at these. What are these called? I think these are the ones that just like fly up in the air for a few moments. I think sometimes I've gotten them and they look like bees. I almost said flies. They look like bees. But oh my gosh, look at that. So cute. So real. Like, look, oh my god. How many times have I said so real in this video? Like 1,000 times. I kind of can't get over it. I'm pretty sure those were all the different types. Normally when you get them on Amazon, you do get a complete set. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe this one, they're kind of pulling this one out. The first one we opened the box, they showed that on here twice. Maybe that one was like the most rare one if you actually got them out of the Gashpon machines. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I'm getting older sets of things on Amazon Japan, but hey, it's still like new to me, so I kind of don't really care when it came out. But yeah, oh my gosh, I do feel like I love these. You guys, Toys Spirits is definitely my favorite brand to collect right now, but I do know that Series 5 mini brands is supposed to be dropping this month, and I've been seeing a lot of people online open the Miniverse. You guys know like the ones we do with the UV gel lamps. They have lifestyle ones now. I think the one I saw the other day on TikTok was somebody making like a little cactus terrarium. So, but I keep trying to find those anywhere online and I do not see them. So when are they gonna come out? I don't know. Maybe it was like a pre-order thing, but I feel like I've already seen the collector's case for the Series 5 surprise mini brands. I feel like now that it's Series 5, that's like a total mouthful to be like 5 surprise, Series 5 mini brands. So yeah, now I'm also wondering though, can I buy more of the Series 4 and try and get some of the mini stationery items? Guys, I feel like that was just a month ago that I was on the quest for like the Wave 2 of Series 4, and now we're already getting Series 5. Oh my god. Anyway, you guys, now I'm just rambling. Let me know if you guys are doing a barbecue or anything fun today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. Until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!